Right there. Perfect.
Hello everyone, Jeff Schwan here with Schwan Associates. Today I am on location. This is the first of many segments that I am going to be doing where I'm actually going to be coming out of my office from behind my desk so that I can bring to you local entrepreneurs and business owners that I am working with or colleagues of mine that are making an impact in the Edmonton community, and I just feel like you should be aware of who they are and what they're doing in case that you may need services from them. So today I am on location with Darcy Ross with Compartment Closets. Here he is. Hey Darcy, thanks for allowing me on site today to
get my... There we go.
Yeah. So Darcy, why not tell us a little about yourself and how Compartment Closets came to be and what Compartment Closets is?
Sure. Many years ago, 2007, I renovated our home and we had a finishing carpenter do all our storage. They did a really good job at the time. It was paint grade MDF. It was relatively cost effective and it worked great and looked good for about 2 months. Then my kids got bigger, stuff wasn't working very good. And then we went to get some quotes on having it redone so it worked a little bit better for us, and we weren't very happy with what was available to us. So we decided to talk to some of the companies that were out there, got some quotes, and asked them why they were charging what they were charging, and they said they don't have very many competitors. So that's really how we started our company. So we started working with a lot of local builders, a lot of local designers, and we started providing solutions for residential homeowners. And we've been able to grow to do some of the larger projects. We've done a number of the lottery homes in town, most recently the Stoller Children's Foundation home last year, which was a great project for us. We've done a lot of high-rise condominium developments and luxury residential condominium developments as well.
And what are you doing here today?
Well, today this is a very typical solution. Here we are on a site here in Edmonton. If you back up a tiny bit, Jeff, this is the type of material that a lot of builders have been putting in. It's very thin. It ages really poorly, and then they mix it with wire and rack up and down here. And if we go to the other side with these mirrored doors, you've got one rail going across. So this hasn't provided a very good solution for this particular residence. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take off the doors, we're going to strip out everything that's in there, we're going to patch the holes, paint the walls, and then we're going to install a brand new system that's 4 sections of a really good quality furniture grade material, melamine. And it's a nice pattern to it, so it's like a natural wood. It's very sturdy and it's very artistic as well. So it's going to have a really nice finish, and you'll be proud to put your belongings in this closet versus what's going on here right today.
So how long would a small job like this take?
This particular house has 3 closets that are almost exact. So we'll spend for 3 hours taking the doors and the existing systems out and then patching the walls. Once we start patching in one area, we'll go around to the others. That way the patches will be dry. We'll sand them out. We'll do a nice paint job so it matches the rest of the room. That's usually about a day job when you're 3 or 4 closets in a house. We can strip everything out, prep, get the first coat painted, and we'll come back tomorrow, do our second coat, and then begin putting in our finished solutions. So you'll have a really nice something that you can come home to, hang your closets, hang all your stuff, put all your stuff away, and it's 24 hours from now.
Oh, very cool. So if anyone was interested in your services, how can they reach out to you or learn more about what you do? We've
been in Edmonton here since 2007. We can be reached on a couple of different ways. Our website, which is www.compartment.ca. You can try our cell phone, which is 780-951-9643, or you can follow our Facebook link and contact us there as well.
Perfect. Okay, well, that was awesome. So there you have it, guys. Darcy Ross with Compartment Closets, providing solutions, better solutions for your storage needs. Like he had mentioned, reach out to him and learn more. This is Jeff Schwan, signing out.